and it is Monday the 17th. Yep, Monday the 17th of June. We're on a train to London. We're gonna interrupt the Orlando vlogs to bring a little London trip in the middle, just because we had to go down for work for some training, so we thought while we were down there we'd stay a few days, so we'll stay Monday, Thursday. We've got our training today. Tomorrow we've got the Harry Potter Studios tour, and then Wednesday night we are going to see Back to the Future, the musical.
So we've got a lot on, which is nice, but one of the main reasons, not for this trip but for the vlog, is that we are testing out a new camera. So we have microphones. So we are testing out the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which we had the Pocket 2 and I didn't like it.
It was the first camera we got, wasn't it?
Yeah. I'm not sure if it was just my inexperience with gimbals, because now we're quite good with the gimbal, but I didn't like it. So we've got this one, and so far I really like it. So we're going to do the whole thing on this camera, and with the cameras we got new mic set, so hopefully, unlike our previous vlogs where when we're on public transport you can't hear anything, hopefully we'll be alright. Yeah. So first day we're gonna get them. We've got the course all day, so we'll probably not film much until this evening, but we just wanted to keep you in the loop.
We might film a little bit. So we're going to Davines House in London. It's a brand that we work with, and the place that they hold the training is beautiful. So we might get a little
snippet. Yeah. Cool. All right. So that's what we're doing. Yeah. See if we haven't forgotten how to vlog. We have landed, made it. That was really rough. I am incredibly tired.
I was maybe sick.
You nearly threw up. Wow, eventful. Good start so far. I'm tripping over. So we are I've got the mic in now. Didn't think about that. Yeah, we're probably just gonna get situated, get to this course, and then we will catch up with you later on. Yeah. Rokxy Townhouse, Melville Hotel by King's Cross. And it is pretty cute, so we're going to give you a quick look around. We have a nice little kitchen area. This room is pretty big. Another green wall. We have 2 beds. Oh, we have a little patio area. Yeah.
wonder if we share that with that little room.
Oh, does that mean we have to be sociable and meet these guys?
I don't know.
Look, and it's like we're in Florida. With the palm trees. Got our TV.
Little wet room.
This is pretty cute. I like it. I like it. Yeah, so this trip's going to be getting to know this camera and see what we think. So far, I'm really liking it. Getting to know all about you. So yeah, that is the purpose of this mini vlog, which is coming right in the middle of our Florida, Orlando vlog series. But you know what?
Look at that. What it is, isn't it?
Look at this. Beauty. So yeah, it's nice. We've got a coffee machine.
There's nowhere to put your clothes.
Stock cupboards. No, we got some things. There's nowhere to put your clothes.
No.
Put them in a cupboard.
Put them in a kitchen cupboard. Just like at home.
What else? Oh, another empty. I don't know how much stuff they thought we were going to bring. of a cutlery nature. Fridge, yeah. Sink, more free space. I like it. A fan, most importantly.
Yeah.
So yeah, so
because it is very hot.
it is boiling. It's like 20 something degrees in London right now, but you know what London's like when it's hot. It's extra hot. So yeah, we have to be back in about 40 minutes. So we had an hour. So we thought we'd come here, drop our bags off. The room's ready, which is nice, and we're gonna grab something to eat because we're pretty hungry. I mean, I don't know why I'm hungry. I had a Kit Kat. I had a hidden porridge while you were asleep. I did buy you a coffee.
Yeah, you did.
And then when she woke up, wanted a bacon sandwich, so I also had to have a bacon sandwich too. So I've had 3 breakfasts. But I've been up since 4.
3-course breakfast.
Yeah.
So
Whatevs. Whatevs.
I like the idea of sitting outside reading books as well.
Yeah.
Tonight.
That's nice. Yeah, we'll take our books out.
We're so rock and roll.
Perfect. We are rock and roll. So another thing this camera does is have smart track, so it should follow me around the room. And if I do a sneaky squat, try that one again. If I do a sneaky squat, perfect form. It should stick with me. I don't know how well that's going to work in kind of fast moving situations. I'm not that fast moving though, so I don't think we have to worry about that. We have the DJI Pocket Osmo 3 comes with a little battery like extension that goes on the bottom. The one that comes standard with this kit is about yay big. I can't show it because it's on the camera now. But we have also brought, have I lost it? A secondary one, which was £59. And we're going to just kind of test out how well the battery life is on it. We did read that if we were to film in 4K, the battery will be pretty rubbish. I don't know how long we'll get out of it. But we don't plan on filming in 4K. We are in 1080 now, I think. What does that say? Yeah, 1080. So yeah, so it's got some cool features. We did have the DJI Osmo 2 and I didn't like it at all. I don't know what it was. I'm having a couple of issues, the same issues I had with that, with this, where I want to just pan around and point at things, and when I look at the screen, it's looking over there. So I think it's gonna be a little adjusting. Teething problems. But yeah, so we've also got the mics, which are pretty cool. When we do some proper vlogging, probably tonight, tomorrow, we'll put them on. We're at Harry Potter Warner Brothers Studios. What is it? Yeah?
Warner Brothers Harry Potter Tour.
Warner Brothers Harry Potter Tour. We're doing that tomorrow. We're getting picked up from the hotel at like 10:30 and we're brought back at 2:30?
Yes, no, 4:30. Incidentally,
Got that wrong. Yes.
the price for the coach to go to King's Cross and get the coach versus the price for us to be picked up from here was the same. It was 119.
Alright, cool. And it's better
including
to be,
the tickets.
Yeah, including the so that's good though. So we don't have to worry about how we're gonna get there or how we're getting back. So that is us. This is the camera. I think it looks alright.
And I am doing that.
And if this is better than the proper gimbal and the Sony ZVX Mark 1 or whatever the hell we've been using, which is nothing wrong with it.
It's bye-bye.
It's bye-bye all that. I'll sell that. I'll sell the Sony. I'll sell the gimbal. We've already sold the Insta360. We obviously have a technology problem. We just have to find the right thing. So we've got rid of the Insta360. We didn't really use that much. I've got a GoPro I want to sell because we're going to trade the GoPro in for the DJI action camera. So we're all DJI. We got the DJI drone. the Osmo, the mics, the action cam soon. So sponsored by DJI. Why not? Just like that, we've gone from this room to this room, which is very similar but bigger. I'm not mad about it. We had a mishap with the aircon. It pissed water all over the floor. We've been moved up to this place, which is bigger. I'm happy.
It's actually a nicer room.
It is a nicer room, so that's worked out quite well. This is the second time this has happened, isn't it? Mm-hmm. First time I pulled a door off the wall, but it wasn't here. And I didn't do that. It fell on me. Yeah, so, right, we're gonna unpack, get comfy, and I think we're gonna go out for some food. We haven't decided where we're going yet. We're gonna go to that steak place.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I'm on a silly diet.
You're on a silly diet. Cool. So that's it. That's our mini room update. I'll show you the room. It's not much different. Well, Marilyn's here. It's a little bit bigger in here. We got a better kitchen sitch. Kitchen sitch. And listen. We may have stole the coffee from the room next door. I don't know. Is that terrible? Is that a really bad thing?
It was our coffee.
It's our coffee. Had our germs on it. So, here's to you, Icon. Oh, this is a much better looking air conditioning unit.
Yeah, it looks a little bit.
It's a Mitsubishi. Alright, so that's where we're at. Just like that, we forgot to film any of the dinner because we are out of practice. And tired. And really hungry. It's good though.